Pamela Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions here. And I've decided to make a box. And what I'm using here is just crafting chipboard. And so I decided to make the sides of the boxes, these are going to be the outside, 6 inches. And then the back and the front, 8 inches. So I have 2 6 inches and 2 8 inches, and they're both 2 inches high is all they are. I'm going to make a real pretty box, very vintage box. And what I'm doing right now is putting some of this Sook Wang tape. I actually got it at Amazon. And I'm putting these 2-inch strips on the outside. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to burnish these with my bone folder, my Teflon bone folder. Love it. Love, love, love it. Bought it on Amazon. Not very much either. I think like $8 or something like that. My very favorite. I have this paper here, and I cut it in 2-inch strips. I make it very vintage. Then I have the top yet to do. I do have this much left of this particular piece. We'll see how that all works itself out. But let me see, maybe if I started on this side. Yeah, that might work. And then maybe pull, there we go. I'm just going to pull the whole thing off. Put it in the trash. I'm going to start this over here. It doesn't have to be totally exact on the corner, only because on each corner I'm going to reinforce it so it will be nice and strong. One piece. So pretty. Pretty. I was thinking this might be nice inside. So I need to cut these at 2-inch strips. So I've got all the outside or the inside pieces now. Yeah. So okay, we're gonna do this one. And I'll fast forward. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna start gluing it together, and I'm going to put the long ones on the outside. Okay. So I got me another piece of crafter's chipboard, you know, and I'm going to line up my box. This is At this point, I take the glittery gold paper and I cut them into 1-inch strips, and then I score them at a 1/2 inch, and I use those to put all along the bottom edge and all along the top edge and then the corner side pieces. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for part 2. See all you good people later. Bye-bye.